Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Geologica. Today in this video we are going to see about the probable answers of the general aptitude for GATE 2022 Geology. So here I have the question paper and I will share my point of view what the answer can be. It may be different according to the official answer key, but I will share my point of view. Okay, so let's begin with the first question. Inhaling the smoke from a burning fill in the blanks could again fill in the blanks then you quickly. So here the correct option can be option number C, that is inhaling the smoke from a burning tire could tire you quickly. So here the first tire means the tire which we used in our vehicles, and the second one is to cause you tired or the lazy or you need to take some rest. So the third option can be right answer. Now another question is a sphere of radius r centimeter is packed in a box of cubical shape. Now what could be the minimum volume of the box that can be enclosed the sphere, and the unit should be in cubic centimeter. Okay, so we have to keep the unit. Now let us see how this diagram of this question will look like. So here I have opened a website. Here you can see this can be the probability of diagram, and we know the radius of circle is radius of sphere is r, and you can see here very clearly that side of cube will be the double of r, so side will be 2r. Now let us go to our question. Now side is 2r of a cube, then the volume of cube is a cube, means the cube of its side. Now so simply what we will do, we will do the cube of 2r. Okay, this, and hence by solving our answer will be 8r cube. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 4 and 8. So 8r cube will be our right answer for this question. Now the next question is pipes P and Q can fill a storage tank in full with water in 10 and 6 minutes respectively. Now pipe R draws the water out from the storage tank with a rate of 34 liter per minute. P, Q and R's will operate at the same time. Now this is the conditions what we have known. So let us see further what it is asking. If it takes 1 hour to completely empty a full storage tank with all pipes operating simultaneously, then what is the capacity of a storage tank? First, we will calculate the rate of filling water by P and rate of filling water by Q. We know rate for R. Let us write like this. The rate of R is 34 liter per minute. Then rate of P, let me add this minus sign. Okay, minus means it is removing water. Okay, for P it is adding water. So here the rate will be, let us consider if the water of the tank has the water capacity of x liter. Okay, and P takes 10 minutes, so hence the rate will be x by 10. Okay, this much liter per minute. Hence same for Q. If we calculate, so for Q it will be positive, means it is filling the water, it will be x divided by 6. Okay, so this much liter per minute R is removing water, this much liter per minute P is adding water, and this much liter per minute Q is adding water. Now we will make the equation. So this is the equation which I have made. Okay. So we are running all the 3 pipes 1 minute. Oh, sorry, 1 hour. So let us see the storage tank is already full. It is okay, full storage tank with all pipes operating simultaneously. So according to me, the tank has already have the X liter of water. Then in 1 hour, the pipe P will add this much of water, okay, per minute into 60 minutes. Then Q pipe will add this much of water, okay. This is in 1 minute into 60, so in 1 hour. And the R pipe will remove water for 1 hour, so it will remove 34 per minute, so into 60, so in 1 hour it will remove this much. By solving this equation, you will get value of X is 120. That means the capacity of a storage tank is 120, the value of X. Okay, now let's move to our next question. Six persons P, Q, R, S, T and U are sitting around a circular table facing the center, but not necessarily in the same order. Okay, so what we will do, we will make a circle. Okay, no, let me draw a large circle. Okay, so this is the circle. Let us design the six positions: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now let us read these points. P sits next to S and T. So P sits next to S and T, but we don't know whether S is on this side or S is on the opposite side. So we will write as an oblique. Okay, S and T. Okay, this can be reverse also in nature. Okay, then Q sits opposite to P. That means Q will sit here. This is uh, perfect. मतलब non movable. It is fixed. Then shortest distance between S and R is equal to the shortest distance between T and U. That means other 2 points we have that are R uh, and U. Okay, so R can be here and R can also be here. Okay, now we have to see, based on the above statement, we have to find out the neighbor of Q. So definitely neighbor of Q is not U and S, because S is not the neighbor of Q. R and T, yes, R is the neighbor but T is not the neighbor of Q. R and Q, yes, both R and U are the neighbors of Q, because if R is here, then U will be here. If R is here, then U will be here. In both the conditions, they will be neighbor of Q. Then P and S, no. S is here, P is opposite, they cannot be neighbor. They cannot be the neighbor. So hence correct option will be C here. Then next question is, a building has several rooms and doors. These are rooms and doors as shown in the top view of building given below. Doors are closed initially. So initially these doors are closed. Now what is the minimum number of doors that need to be opened in order to go from point P to point Q? So we have to go from point P to point Q. How many doors we should open? Minimum. Okay, minimum number of doors. So initially there is no other way, we have to go here. So first door will be opened. Let me mark this 1. So then we can go in this direction and we can go in this direction also. If we go here, then the second gate will be opened, and if we go here, then second gate will be opened, but we have to open another gate to reach Q. So if we go in this way, we have to open 3 gates. If we go in this way, we have to open 2 gates. So obviously the minimum number will be 2, and hence third option will be our right answer. Now let us see next question. Okay, this is a little bit you can say a passage type, but it's easy. Rice, which is a versatile, inexpensive source of carbohydrate, it is a critical component of diet worldwide. Climate change, which causes the extreme weather, poses a threat to sustained availability of rice. So they are saying that because of climate change, weather is extreme, so the rice is not available, uh, not available uh, with respect to the previous time. Now, to counter this situation, scientists are working on developing a green super rice, which is resilient under the extreme weather conditions yet gives higher yield sustainably. Resilient means uh, that can protect themselves by the extreme weather conditions, but also it is not only protecting them but also giving you the higher yield. Higher yield means the higher production. So we have to find out which logic is best suited according to this passage. Let us see the GSR, which is green super rice, is alternative to regular rice, but it grows only in extreme weather. This is partially true, but not true always, because they are saying grows only in extreme weather. But in the passage, there is never or nowhere it is mentioned that it is only extreme weather condition. Okay, so they are saying resilient under extreme weather condition, but they have not used only term, so we will not go with the A option. Then second is GRS may be used in future in response to adverse effects of climate change. Yes, this is true. Extreme weather condition or the adverse effect of climate change are similar. So this GRS may be used in future for the climate change. Then third option is GSR grows in extreme weather. Yes, this is true. But the quantity of produce is lesser than regular rice. This is not true, because they had already said yet gives higher yield means the higher production will be there. So this is also wrong. Fourth option will regular rice will continue to provide good yields even in extreme weather. This is not true, because regular rice will not continue to produce. We are developing another variety, that is super green rice. We are not enhancing the regular rice, we are developing another variety. So regular rice have the less availability in extreme weather. That's why this is wrong. So here second option will be our right answer. Now let us see another question, that is seventh one. This is also good, but you know the very simple probability things, how probability works. If you know this, then normal, very easy. A game consists of spinning an arrow around the stationary disk as shown below. So this is an arrow and this uh, disk will spin either in clockwise or anti-clockwise. They have not mentioned. Okay. Now when the arrow comes to the rest, there are 8 equally likely outcomes. So when the disk will stop, arrow may come on any of these numbers. Now it could come in rest of any one of numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now two such disks are used. The two disks we are using this one and this one. What is the probability that sum of numbers on resulting sectors upon the spinning of two disks is equal to 8? Now how these things work? We have to the probability is equal to the outcomes, likely outcomes. I can write LO, likely outcomes, divided by total outcomes. Okay, so likely outcomes is sum should be 8 and total outcomes will be how much is there. So let us see the for the first wheel. First wheel can stop on any number from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, then second, it may have second has 1, it may be that second has 2 if the uh, let me change the color first. Red. Okay, so this is for the first wheel. Okay, these numbers, and these numbers will be of second wheel. Okay, so if the first wheel has 1, second wheel may have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Same as when the first wheel has come, second may have all of these, same as for third, same as for fourth, same as for fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. Okay, so these were the total outcomes. Any two combination may occur. It may occur combination 1 1, combination may be 1 2, combination may be 1 3, combination may be 3 1, combination may be 4 4, any combination. So these are the total outcomes which are possible. So how much outcomes are there? 8 and 8. So 8 into 8, total outcomes, sorry, 8 into 8, 8 into 8. So the total outcomes will be 64. Okay. Now we have to find out the outcomes for which the sum is 8. So how many outcomes can be there? 1 and 7. The first wheel will have 1. Second wheel will have 7. So we will get 8 sum. Then second one can be 2 6, 3 5, 4 4, 5 3. Okay, you are getting my point, how it works. 6 2 and 7 1. These are the total possibilities when the outcome will be sum will be 8. How many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So hence the likely outcomes are 7, total outcomes are 64, hence our answer will be 7 by 64. Okay. Now let's see the another question. Considering the following inequalities, we have to find out which one of the following is correct. So simply let us add these two. What will be the addition? 3p minus q plus 3q, okay, minus p will be less than 4 plus 12. Okay, so after solving this, what you will get? You will get 2p plus q will be lesser than 16. So you will divide from 2 and you will get p plus q is less than 8. Okay, so hence first option will be our right answer. The next question is, okay, so this is a Venn diagram type question. Some engineer are writers. So let us assume that this red one is engine and this blue one is engineers, and these are the writers. Okay, these are the writers, and let me write here. Okay, so these are the engineers. No writer is an actor. That means actor will not lie. Actor will not lie in this red zone, but all actors are engineer. So we have to make actors like this. A. So all actors are engineers, but no writer is an actor. Okay. Some engineers are writers. Okay. Now let us see what are the conclusions. Some writers are engineers. Yes, this is true. Some writers, this much of writers are engineers. Okay. All engineers are actors. Wrong. This is not true because there are many engineers which are writer and not actor. So this will not follow. Third is no actor is writer. Yes. No actor is there which is also a writer. So this is true. Then conclusion 4, some actors are writer. This is wrong. No actor is a writer. So first and third follow, and hence third option will be our right answer. Only conclusion 1 and 3 are correct. Then our last question is which one of the following set of pieces can be assembled to form a square with a single round hole near the center? So the correct option is third one. Now let us see how it is. Let me select the blue color. Okay, now we are going to put this one on the top of this. So how it will look? It will look something like this. Okay, this one. Oh, sorry, I made it a little bit larger. Okay, it will look something like this. This one. Okay, then if we put this one also, then it will be something like this. Okay, like this. I hope you are getting my point, how it looks. So it will make a square with a rounded or with a sphere or circle inside its center. So it's all about for today, the general aptitude part. We will see next video. In the next video we will see about the uh, multiple choice questions, multiple selected questions, or NAT, whatever is there. So we will look in the next video. Till then, thank you. You can follow me on Instagram at the rate ggupta_99. You can also join our Telegram channel, that is Geologica 2020, and you will get the PDF of this paper there and a lot of other things whatever we shares on our YouTube channel. Thank you.